You are okay?
Yes!
You are okay?
Yes, I'm okay!
My legs are trembling. Because I don't trust Iranian machines.
गाइस वो कोई डायलॉग है ना मूवी में, मौत को छुके आ गया मैं, वैसा था भाई, बहुत खतरनाक था ये. Name of restaurant is Sheila.
My name is Sheila.
Guys, see this one.
नमस्ते दोस्तों और ये नई वीडियो में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Yesterday I put henna on my head. I don't know if any difference is there or not. And today we are going outside with my friends. Shaghayer, Jimmy.
Jimmy, I think they saw in last year video.
Yes, in one video in past we put. So we are going to one park. Bagwan also never saw that park.
Iram.
Park Eram.
Iram.
Which is so old. During last dynasty they made
During
that.
Shah time.
Yes, they made that park, but I never took Bagwan there.
चलो देखते हैं क्या है क्या नहीं वहाँ
Some
पे.
exciting games are there, so we are going to go and play. For adults also is there, for children also is there. Chalo, let's go.
Let's go.
What happened, Bagwan?
Downside in backside. She said it's okay, it's okay. No value for me. She like me what you really have.
What happened?
Don't need to do your hair. Just let's go.
I fear if people catch or rob you from me.
What is this nonsense?
No,
Very.
it will not happen
Ali
like
is waiting
that.
for us. We are late. Every time we are doing late.
What if they rob you? You don't
No one can
mind.
rob me.
So guys, one more thing. I got that gift box, show, for my friend from India. To other friends I gave, but to her I didn't give. Now, I think rain also will come. See?
It will rain. Arre. Weather
Let's
is so
go.
cold, guys.
बहुत ठंडी है. Salam, ببخشید. Sorry. Hello.
You want to sit front?
Oh, Vaisa. You sit front there.
Take this one.
Vaisa.
Guys, Ali is busy nowadays. He's so busy. He don't have time to talk to us also. Because he's in love.
Yes. Ali.
Love story 2 is coming after us. After us, Ali's love story is coming. Let's see what it is. He's not telling anything, but. So guys, Shaga also came.
She is my beautiful friend.
And she's also late.
Wait. Red. Without knowing.
So guys, बेटा की फ्रेंड भी आ गई अभी, वो उस वाली कार में है और हम यहाँ पे 4 लोग. चलो जाते हैं अभी वहाँ पे.
What look?
So hello guys. Now we are here. After 1 month I saw her.
1 month or 1 year?
Nah, after 1 month of coming in Iran.
Okay.
But 1 year I didn't.
Because I'm working hard,
So hard.
so hard.
So now what we are going to do?
Let's go. Go to
You came before or is it first time?
No, we came from childhood. We came so many times, but now it's, I think more than 7-8 years maybe.
Okay. Very.
So guys, by coming here, I just remembered the stories of my childhood. I used to come here so much, especially whenever I used to get good marks in school, especially in math. My family used to take me here, me and my brother. So I have very good news for you guys. Guess what? There is one guy, his name is Nilkan Banu, maybe you know him. He is the fastest human math calculator in the world. So he's taking one free trial class that you can join them if your children are between 6 to 16 year old.
And we are going to provide one link in description. If you sign up by that link, first 300 people will get 30% off in all courses. So those courses will help your child to improve their academic performance by improving their mathematics skills, techniques and concepts. So check out the link in description.
And take your children to those classes. Let's go, our friends are waiting.
Let's
Chalo.
go.
So because of recording for you guys, now our time is past and they are going. They were leaving us alone.
Arre,
Let's go.
where they are? See how big it is,
You
Butul?
never came before.
No, first time I came
Last
here.
year I wanted to take you, but I don't know. It didn't happen. So many people came. Especially because Nowruz New Year.
Huh?
I think so many people from different cities also came here.
Really?
Yes.
How big
And
it is?
some
So
of-
big.
So this park has three places, means three different parts. On the door they were asking us which one you want to go because the entry is different. We came to second one. This so big it is. This second one, first one and third one is.
It's for
somewhere else.
all ages. No, means anyone can
Yes,
come here.
But if you're below some age, some of games you cannot play. Like this one, see, it's for adults. Children cannot.
I will die.
One
This
story-
game.
One story also I want to say.
Huh?
When I was child, I was so skinny, so tiny.
Huh?
So that's why that time, always they used to not allow me for going to some games.
This one is so scary. You want to try this one, Butul?
Not at all.
Huh? This one is better. I think this one is easier. But this one I will die.
Right? But they want to play this one.
I will not play.
Okay, let me record you.
No, record this one also. They will come
You
downside.
want to play?
This one no. This one no.
You're scared?
Other will play. This
Guys, see how much up. See? It's so much up. Now suddenly they will come
one
down.
will come downside.
See? I will never go. I swear. They are yelling. See? They are screaming. Oh my god. I swear I will not go.
When they will throw.
They are saying let's go and take tickets.
Wait, wait.
I will not go.
This one I don't want to try.
I will not go. Ali, you want to go this one?
آره رفتم 2 بار
Nah, now you want to go?
آره
2 times you went?
آره
In English say.
ها
In English.
2 times I
Try.
try for 3 times
Remember me.
And you?
I don't know. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh my god. See that one, that one.
So guys, weather is so cold.
So, you know how much the temperature? Guess.
5? 3 degrees. I was near. So cold.
So cold.
So let's see. I don't know which game they want to play, but I will enjoy whatever
But
it
they
is.
are mad. They want to take us to
This
very
one.
bad games.
This one.
Or
It's
that one
okay.
they want to take. I will never go.
Wait. This one they are saying, guys.
Oh my god.
This one also is good.
I will not
Huh?
go. I will
It's not good.
I am video recorder. To be honest, I don't want to go to this like whatever is so scary, the machines, because I don't trust Iranian machines.
बेटा को भरोसा ही नहीं है मतलब मशीन पे.
Because 2-3
अगर
times
गिर जाए
happened.
बीच
That
में
was
तो.
same place 2-3
हाँ.
times happened. People got dead.
Really? Then I will also not go. Our life is remaining. I am just
I want to
20-year
live
old.
with you. Now only I found you.
I am just 20-year old.
Not only that,
Huh.
I just found you.
What you're saying?
I'm saying I just found you. I want to
Arre.
live my whole life with you.
Let's see. Whatever they will
Let's
say,
see.
we will go. It's okay. We will enjoy.
Let's see. I hope nothing will happen.
I never went that much places.
You never came this
In-
type of game?
In villages, we have some small jatra, we say, like festival. There I used to
Where
play.
they went?
I don't know where they went. That side.
Uh-huh.
So
No, you came before this type of
this
game.
here in Iran.
No. In India.
I went, but they are not like this much big. Like small in villages, they have small festival. It's a jatra. There I used to play, but not like
Really?
this much big. Arre. So let's see what they want to play.
Let's go.
What do you want to play?
Me?
Huh?
Something which is not scary.
Where they are? Yes.
Whatever was was turning like this,
Huh.
I never used to play.
Why?
Because I used to get vomiting. Really, I'm saying.
Arre.
Let's,
That one only I played. That circular thing is there now. We have to sit and it will go like this. That one I played.
this one.
This one. But
But this
it was not this much big. It was like small.
This one I saw so much in Indian movies. One movie is there. What? That ice cola.
Huh.
She's taking ice cola. That guy is giving money. You saw?
No. Which movie? How I can
And you
understand?
saw? I saw. I forgot name of him. Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar is playing in that movie.
Hera Fairy?
She has to. I think.
Huh.
She's giving money to that woman. That woman is not accepting. She's
Huh.
saying, "It's okay. I will pay your money."
Huh.
Then after that, he say, "No, I'll take you here."
It's Hera Fairy only. Hera Fairy.
remember?
Arre.
Now let's go.
He's giving food
I
and
think
this
they are
thing.
taking tickets.
Which game they want to go? So guys, they're buying ticket.
I fear of
I also don't know which game they want to play. So let's see. See, so big. Bita is mentioning ki they have 3 parks, like 3 big parks in one park. So let's see what games they want to play. Here is this one. Oh, there also they have. That side also they have games. It's so big. So guys, I am saying let's play this one. This one smaller one. See, so good. Slow is going. It's for child.
آره کارتون جواب بگیریم بعد بریم.
یعنی بعد نفری یه کارت بگیریم.
Bita, it's expensive or
One
how?
card we have to get,
Huh.
and from there, wherever we want to play games,
Huh.
then we can take the tickets.
Really?
Yeah.
Very. So from here we have to buy that card, and from that card we have to pay. What is this? Ali, this one you want to play? Ali, let's play this one. बिकॉज ऑफ नवरूज मतलब पर्शियन न्यू ईयर है ना, तो यहाँ पे हॉलीडे मतलब 7 दिन का, तो सारे लोग आते हैं, बाहर जाते हैं, कुछ लोग खेलने जाते हैं, कुछ बाहर कंट्रीज में जाते हैं घूमने के लिए, तो अभी उनके लिए हॉलीडे है तो घूमते रहते हैं यहाँ वहाँ. लेट्स गो. आई डोंट नो विच गेम दे वांट टू प्ले.
Bagujan,
Huh.
what do you want to play?
आई डोंट नो व्हाट आर यू से.
Yeah.
just play simple one.
I love you.
So guys, it's so cold.
My nose is
My also is running.
not running. It's become ice.
Where is going?
Ali kojara?
I don't know where he's going. Let's see, guys. The weather is so cold. This one they want to play. This one is easy, I think. This will move like this, circular. So this one is easy. Oh no! No, this one is different. That one is different. That one is better. This one was a little bit scary. How they're playing this one.
Ay bana miad. Man
Ji.
nemiyorum, gidiyorum biraz.
What you are saying?
This one.
No, now
I'm saying you go.
Do you want to try this one?
This smaller
Yes,
one?
golden
No.
and,
This one?
Yes, yes.
Arre, baham berim.
Around it and go.
Oh, this much it is?
Yes, yes, yes.
Guys, I thought this much only, but it's till there. Let's go. Wherever you say we'll go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
چی؟
چیلی سوار نمیشه.
مگه آنلاین میشه خرید؟
They are discussing how to pay, I think. But they took one card.
نمیاد؟
This one you took card?
Yes.
Iram card.
Yes.
How much you paid?
20.
میخوایم یه چرخ
wait.
بزنیم مثلا ببینیم
I
چیا
think-
داره و چی
Yes, 100.
100 tuman.
100 tuman. Yeah.
So by this you have to pay there.
Yes, yes, to pay.
Okay. Understood.
And charge for another playing another game.
Okay, you can charge online also.
Yes. With this.
Oh, they have different machines here like ATM.
Yes, go
so you
there
can
and
charge there.
charge this
You can
card.
charge this one.
Yes.
Okay, it's so good. It's like small city. See? What is it, Bitu?
چیا شما
من بگین چی کار میکنه.
Guys, Bita is not coming. She's saying she'll feel vomiting when she'll sit in like turning things. Bita, let's go.
آزاد که بدتره.
You are saying that one, let's go.
Bita is scared.
خیلی خوبه.
یه بار نگاش کن. نگاه کن الان اون بالا.
عالیه.
الان میاد پایین.
همت بالاتره.
Back one video from this.
See guys, this one. They are not that much scared, but I think we will die. Oof.
مال اسلام اینجا کشته
Saying Vitul?
It's turning, I feel vomiting.
She's saying she'll feel vomiting if she go there.
Let me
She want to record.
I'll be video
I
recorder.
went when I was in school.
Are.
Vitul.
I'll be, see, she's giving bag, her bag to me.
Just be careful with all things, Vitul. Vitul, let's go. Nothing will happen.
ببینم یادتون oh this one they want to go huh
Nothing will happen. Let's go.
no whatever turns
Let's go, nothing
I
will
swear
happen.
I'm saying I feel vomiting if I
You
go
don't want to come?
no this one I
I
will not
also want to come.
why
No,
they went to buy yes baba
You also come now.
no no next one I will come
Really?
Ah.
You will record? You both are not scared?
نه هرگز
You are not scared?
بگوان اصلا ترس نکن
You want to kill me, Vitul?
Ali
آره همون
So cold, guys. My finger became like ice.
also.
What should I say?
my finger is not working
Bita is not coming, guys. She's scared. Bita is scared. She's
no
not coming.
from childhood whatever is turning I cannot
Then what you like?
not like
Huh.
I'll vomit there
Then which one you want to play?
Yes. Where?
Arre, merci. So good, merci. Injury. Alarm clock shut there.
Where are you going?
Bye Vita.
Bita,
Bye-bye.
if I didn't come back. Kuda Hafiz, Bita.
No, Bagu. You will come, Baba.
You are saying you don't have any trust on this machine.
No, but this one is not that much. Bagu, go. Boy, that one's so scary. See? Oh my God. Enjoy.
آی میترسم. آدم خوبی بودم. خدا بیامرزد.
انگلیسی. English.
I'm getting die.
Bye guys. After my Bita, I will take care of you too.
Don't say nonsense. Ali, anything you want to say?
Vita, Vita, Vita.
Bye Bita. Bye.
Bye bye. Enjoy.
You take care of her.
Okay. So guys, they went. Let's see how they will like it. How they will enjoy. I think it's going to start. Oh, it started. Where is Bhagwan? I don't know where they are. Yeah, fancy. So guys, they came. Let's see how they liked it.
So good. I was yelling like.
How was it?
Good.
How is that?
How was?
Good.
Okay.
Are,
Tell me truth.
very good.
You're not scared?
Nah.
It's
Super
good
very
also.
moon.
You know now.
Chera, very moon.
So guys, Bita is still scared. Let's go na Bitul.
You're saying line also is big. I don't know. I should go there.
This one they want to go guys. Very. Bita is ready. Are big. Are unja. Up.
To the sky.
Are.
Honey,
Fakat sap ko, çiğde.
hesabı şöyle.
Are.
I'm scared of this one.
Really?
If it falls,
It will not fall. Only I am scared of you.
Evra dara hamar mum bitersin. Benim evim içmişim. Let's go.
Let's go.
I will like. Ah!
So we want to go this one.
Akhirin videoya zindagimon başı.
She's saying this is our last video of our life.
Oh.
But who will upload?
Ki upload mu konu hala?
Hayır.
We're gonna in there. Huh.
I'm saying when we used to come in childhood, every game was like no less 200, 500, 500 tuman.
Huh.
It's below 1 tuman.
Huh.
Like
Means below
half rupees.
one half rupee.
Huh.
Really?
Half rupees.
And now?
And now per game you want to play is 100 rupees.
100 rupees.
Hmm.
Like 100 time, not 100 time, 200 time.
Wow.
Are.
Even I remember from job of my aunt or my mom sometimes used to give offer.
Really?
Like 3 games free. We used to come here, 5 games we used to play or 7, 6 games, but 3 of them was free.
And it's so big, guys. She was saying ki they built this whole park during Shah time. So that time it was so good. They are saying ki their currency also was so good and lot of options they had. Huh? See? What happened? What happened?
I am saying it's looking so scary.
Huh.
Plus, I am scared because most of machines are old. Yeah.
Very. So guys, let's go. I don't know. So scary. Bita, just don't be scared that
No,
much.
if I am scared, I will not yell.
Uh-huh.
Here I want to try to yell.
So you're scared.
If I am so much scared,
Huh.
I'll be so silent. I'll be like,
No. Wait.
like this. Let's go fast.
I am saying don't be scared. You just close your eyes.
Same I'm saying. I'm saying if I'm so much scared of
Huh.
something,
Huh.
I become so silent. Some people yell.
Huh.
I become silent.
Arre.
But here I want to try to give all energies out. There.
Here, let's go. So guys, now we are going in line. So many people came because of Nowruz. Everyone is free.
So big mistake.
Arre. So guys, like this, we are going up. They are going up. I cannot see.
I don't want to go.
Nothing will happen. See?
Ben geldim. Go.
She's saying, let's go back. No back from here.
No, back.
No back. Alanu. We are going up.
Back.
Up now, up. Nothing happened to them. So we are safe. Nothing happened to them. We are safe. Let's go.
How you know? Maybe for
Rita, don't be scared. Nothing will happen.
Even if something happens, it will be like we'll be paralyzed.
Nothing will happen, guys. Saga, nothing will happen.
Sarap mimira.
See. To be
fish.
Veshin.
Yeah, Veshin.
Veshin? Vita, how it was? I was dead. Arre, mera. Ali, how it was?
Wow, really? Really tough.
I told you when I'm scared I cannot.
गाइस वो कोई डायलॉग है ना मूवी में, मौत को छुके आ गया मैं, वैसा था भाई, बहुत खतरनाक था ये. How it was? Beta is in shock.
Boy, मैं ये पसंद है मगर.
I was crying.
Ichino sir. You are okay?
Yes!
You are okay?
Yes, I'm okay!
My legs are trembling.
Really? Beshin.
She was like, ah!
Who? Shaga is like that only.
Hey, biraz bağlam, ben burada. Havapeym,
मैं बोला.
She was saying, it was going on.
Ben
I was like,
de
oh,
oh,
Mila Tower, oh, Hera, oh.
ये पसंद है मगर.
mountain, oh.
They're so scared. Oof. Stop guys, it's not like small.
زیاد نه.
من بالا رو دیدم ولی پایین رو ندیدم.
اوه نه من بالا رو
ببین اون لحظه که میومد پایین تموم نمیشد.
بعد تموم
ولی
نشد.
آخرش شما که ببینم چقدر حوصله دارم.
scared. I'm not kidding. My legs are trembling. You didn't get scared? You didn't get scared?
چرا؟ خیلی ولی خیلی خوب. خیلی scared. What? So much scared. But خیلی fun. خیلی خوبه. Test it کنید.
Very. Now what we have to play? Alan Chi. You know Chi? Arre. This one. Let's go this one, Bitul.
No, she's saying someone, same machine, but in another, same part, same
Huh.
machine, but another machine, not this one.
Uh-huh.
2-3 people got paralyzed.
Really? Then we will not go this one. So guys, cancel. This one cancel. We don't want to get paralyzed. So let's see now what you want to go. I don't know. See?
That one.
That one is good. It's easy, na?
No, it's so fun.
Really? You like? If you like, let's go.
I'm saying when I was child, it's like 12, 13 year old. They were not allowing this game to play.
It's scary.
So tiny. They used to say, you are so skinny, you will fall.
Guys, this one.
Yapacağım.
Now we want to go and play this game. The only trick I want to explain you, if normal you drive, it will go normal. If so fast you turn, it will go backside.
Really?
تو سوار میشی؟ تو سوار میشی؟
آره.
آره
Are.
دوتا تو سوار میشی یا نه؟
آره. تو؟ آره آره.
تو سوار.
I don't know how to play Bitul. Let's go, let's see.
When I was child, we used to come with my parents.
Huh.
We used to take 2 cars. Me and my mom or me and my dad. Ali and mom or dad. یادته؟ آره بعد
Guys, see this one. I will never go in this. What is this? Guys, now we are going to play this bump car. Let's see how it is. Bita. This one you want to play now. So how it was?
It was really good.
Really?
Only that one first we went
Up, down,
so
that
scary.
one. Huh? It was so scary.
Even now, if I think I'll die.
Really? I opened my eyes suddenly to see. I was so scared.
Once it was going up,
Huh.
more, I became like this.
But you can see whole Tehran from that height.
Really, so bad.
So now we are going back.
I think.
So guys, now we are going back.
Take care.
I hope you enjoyed our video.
Also, if in India you have this type of machines and games, let us know and put in comments.
Arre, where it is. Please don't forget to like, share and
Subscribe.
bye.
Take care. Bye bye.
So guys, we came to one restaurant. Name of restaurant is Sheila.
My name is Sheila. Sheila ki Jawani.
So we want to eat pizza or I don't know what they want to eat. Let's go. Let's see.
Just be careful of phone.
Here inside I can record.
Inside is safe.
No, but
Taiwan, what you want to eat?
I don't know. Pizza.
یه تا غذا بگیری؟
What you want to eat?
کی با من سیب زمینی میخوره؟ من پاستا، پیزا، برگر، دیپ زمینی، فرش فرایز. آخ جامو خیلی شد میتونیم بشیم.
So guys, here also got empty. So they want to sit here. علی جون بفرما بدو. Taiwan, why you like this? At least remove your hat.
Really?
Ah,
Not cold.
no papa.
Here became like sea.
No, it's good. It's so beautiful. Ali, what you want to eat?
نمیدونم ببینم.
English.
I don't know.
I don't know.